Do you know many people are having trouble with their Lenovo ThinkPad T440 Trackpad? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check mouse settings. Open the control panel and navigate to Hardware and Sound. Click on Mouse to check the TrackPoint and Trackpad settings are enabled. Step 2. Update drivers. Update the drivers. Go to Device Manager, expand Mice and other pointing devices, right-click the device, and select Update Driver Software. Step 3. Reset hardware. Perform a hardware reset. Turn off your laptop. Use a paper clip to press the emergency reset hole on the bottom and restart your system. Step 4. Restart laptop. Restart your Lenovo ThinkPad to see if the mouse functionality is restored after updates and reset are applied. Step 5. Adjust settings. If the issue continues, try tweaking additional settings under the mouse properties for customized functionality. Now you should be able to fix the trackpad issue on your Lenovo ThinkPad T440. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lenovo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.